Hi guys, Jordan here and welcome back to my channel. So if you read the title, today we are doing knotless box braid. So you want to always start on clean hair. I washed my hair 2 days ago and I'm using this Dr. Miracle acethermal protective style to protect my hair, because you want to make sure that you're protecting your hair underneath the braid. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair into 3 sections. At first I did 4 sections, then I decided to merge the 2 sections at the back into 1. Also guys, if you are new here, I'm going to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because it does help the channel out, and also to give this video a like if you like videos like this, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you guys so very much. Yeah, so this is me basically putting my hair up into sections. So what you're going to be needing for this video is basically a jam or edge control and your braiding hair. It's that simple. All right, so I think I'm doing a little bit much talking, so I'll see you guys a little bit further down in the video. So now that I have my hair sectioned off, I'm gonna start to go in and place my hair into smaller sections. Now guys, when you are doing your own hair, your parts are not gonna be perfect, and that is totally fine. So after you've made the amount of boxes that you want your box braids to have, you're going to use your shine jam or your edge control to secure the sections. I am using pre-stretch hair, and I do recommend pre-stretch hair guys, because it does make your life so much easier. And also I do recommend using a jam or edge control. The one that I'm using, it is not slippery and it does the job and holds the hair, the base of the hair in place. So let us get into this box braid. So what you want to do is start by parting your hair into 3 sections, and you just start braiding like you normally would. I sewed it down here. Then you add the hair and you basically feed it into your braid. So it's like if you're doing a cornrow and you're feeding in the braid, you would start by doing a little section first, and then gradually adding a piece of hair each time you do a crossover. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another section, another piece of hair to my braid, just because I want everything to be nice and neat. Also guys, the reason why it's called knotless is because there isn't a knot at the beginning of the hair. Now traditionally when traditional braids I should say, they would start at the tip or the root of your hair and then continue down until the end. But with the knotless, you're basically braiding the base of your hair first, and then you gradually feed the braiding hair into your natural hair, and then just plaiting that out to the tip. And guys, pre-stretch hair is the bomb. It makes your life 100 times easier than using regular braids, because then you have to stretch those braids and it is so time consuming, I should say. So this is me just rocking back and forth and plaiting out the hair all the way down to the tip. Later down in the video, I will also go ahead and explain this again, just to make sure that you guys are fully understanding, the style and the process, and basically how long it took me, I should say, to complete this style. So once again, you want to start by braiding your natural hair first, then you start by adding in strands of the braiding hair and just basically feeding that in and braiding the hair out. This doing your own hair, I mean, it's great as in the end product. I really, was happy with the end product. But guys, I was on my feet for so long. My feet hurt really badly after I did this video. And as you can see, I had to even take a break. Well, not a break, but I had to get something to eat while I was doing this because it was just taking me so long. But I am just happy overall with how it turned out. So this is what getting closer to the top of my head looks like. I use my edge control to secure the sections of my hair, which is awesome. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna do another part on the right side. Yeah, right there. All right, so this is almost completed, almost, but not quite yet. So I wanted to talk to you guys again about doing the braids. So you're gonna part your hair into 1, 2, 3 sections. Then you're going to start like you would normally do your braids and just braid your natural hair by doing crisscross motions. So you see it to the right, over the left, and I continued like 2 or 3 times I did that. Then I picked up a piece of the braiding hair and I added that to the 2 pieces of the hair on my left side. Okay, and then I started to do the crisscross motion again to feed that into the overall braiding hair. Then I went ahead and I added another piece. I believe I added 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of hair, braiding hair while I was doing this. My knotless braids are not super long. I could have done them longer, but guys, it would have taken me so much longer to do that, and I just really didn't want to be on my feet any longer. Hence the reason why I chose to do them medium size, and as well as to do the length, I should say, medium size. So again, you just want to feed the braiding hair into the braid that you're doing and just take your time and just braid that out. And what a journey this was. I am almost complete. This is just me demonstrating again, taking the 3 strands of your natural hair and just braiding them first before you add any of your braiding hair. Guys, this was so long. All right, so this is after I hot watered the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back. Then I am gonna add some mousse to the hair just to make the hair nice and neat. And this does help to keep your braids looking neater for longer. Then I'm gonna add some hair sheen, and yeah, that is about it for now. Okay guys, so I clipped up the hair off camera, and yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys like a 360 of what it is looking like. It is not that long, so yeah, this is what it's looking like from this point of view. And then go around to the other side. I hope you guys could see that, but yeah, this is the final product. You can see the ends are, as you can see, the ends are nice and straight. And yeah, okay, so I bought 3 packs of the Xpression 3x Ghana Realistic Pre-stretched hair with it, which is this, but I only used 1 pack and a little bit from this pack, from this section of this pack. So I basically have like 2 packs of hair left. I'm gonna try to use them to do another tutorial. But yeah, I have some skincare tutorials coming up. I'm gonna be doing my skincare routine, and also I have a face treatment video coming up as well on my channel, scheduled for sometime next week, so just be on the lookout for that. As always guys, if you are not yet subscribed, I'm going to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this type of content. And also, I'm going to put it here. Follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, let's just be friends. I mean, that is why we're here, isn't it? So yeah guys, until next time, I will catch you guys in another, and I'm looking away, I don't know why. Yeah, until next time, I'll catch you guys in another video or tutorial. Take care and be safe. Bye.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the hold closest starts